Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've partnered up with Dermae Skincare to show you guys a brand new product from them. This is the Vitamin C Instant Radiance Citrus Facial Peel. So this is going to be a beautiful, brightening, amazing vitamin C pill that's just going to give us that beautiful glow, fade any dark spots, help with fine lines. There's so much good stuff and I'm going to tell you more about it, but let's go ahead and get started. So before I apply the mask, I have already washed my face and I actually use the Dermae Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser. I'm a big fan of this. It's very good. Anything anti-wrinkle is okay in my book. It's really, really nice. It smells nice. It's very nourishing, and vitamin A and glycolic acid are what you really want to plump fine lines. So we already did this, and before we do any mask, you always want to cleanse your face. So I just took it out of the box, and it's gonna come with this amazing little spatula spoon here. So we can just apply this very easily to the face. I did want to mention that they are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. What more do you need? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This is the big reveal. Look how beautiful. Smells so clean and fresh. I'm so excited to try this. So we're gonna use the little mini spoon to apply. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I love the color of it. It's so pretty. You know it's gonna make for cute little selfies. So we're just gonna do a nice even layer. And it says just to work it on the face, and you're gonna let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. We're gonna find something to do in between then. Ben's here, so I'll just go make him look at me. Look at my yellow mask! And I'm just gonna focus. I'm obviously not gonna go too far underneath my eyes. There we go, we'll start to pull it down. And you definitely wanna keep the spoon. All it says to do is just to wash your little spoon off and keep it dry. I actually like the consistency of the mask because it's not wanting to just fall off my face. It's going on very smooth. I can't wait to see what my skin looks like after this. Vitamin C has such great, sorry, wrong side, camera gets me every time. Vitamin C has such great brightening and smoothing properties. I always get asked, what do I do for dark spots? What do I do for fine lines? And I'm like, vitamin C. I'm so glad I found this mask. Just finishing up on the forehead. Now we're gonna let this sit for 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to give ourselves a facial massage with this as we take this off. All right, guys, 5 minutes on the clock. We're gonna sit here and let this work its brightening magic. So the key ingredients are alpha hydroxy acids. They help to safely and effectively remove dead surface skin cells. A lot of times when our skin isn't glowing and you're seeing that dullness, it's just built up dead skin cells. It's not cute. It's not what I want. Citrus fruit puree helps to improve the appearance of discoloration, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. It's gonna even it out. I'm telling you guys, I've been searching after vitamin C since I knew what it was, and that's one of the reasons there's such an even tone going on here. Vitamin C is where it's at, especially if you can get that in a peel just like this. And then of course, vitamin C helps to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation, photoaging, and may support healthy collagen. Give it to me. That's what I need. Now we're gonna take our little spoon again and we're gonna start to scrape. This is relaxing. And then of course I just have a paper towel here and we're just gonna wipe the excess off. All right guys, now that we've scraped almost everything off, what we can get off, we're gonna go ahead and run to the sink and wash this off, and look at this glow already. Look at this glow. I'm so excited. Let's go wash our face. What do y'all think? I think that's some even tone skin right there. That's the proof. Look at that. It's like glass. Woo, girl. This has made its way to my vanity and it's not going nowhere. Let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the skincare routine. But this right here, this is a staple now. Finishing up, I'm gonna start with my Radiance toner. I like to just put a little bit in my hand and then I'll just kind of pat it in. It smells so good. It smells like a spa. It's a spa treatment at home. Now after our toner has sank in, we're gonna hop over into a serum. I always use serums before I use moisturizers. Trust me, you gotta do it. So this is the Dermae Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. We'll do a pump and a half of this one. And I kind of just tap it through the center of my face and then I'll start to spread it out. Notice the very light touch that I'm using. And I always like to let everything sink in at least 2 minutes. My nighttime routine and my daytime routine both take me a very long time, but I promise you it's worth it. You really gotta let your product sink in. Since we did a pill and this is my more nighttime routine, we're gonna go ahead with the Even Tone Brightening Night Cream, keeping it in the vitamin C family. Just keep with that brightening and evening out. We're gonna pop this on. I'm gonna use quite a bit, but I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna start to just press it into my face at first, and then I'm also gonna rub up on my neck, and then I'm even going to press it into my décolletage. Can't forget this. This ages too. And then also on the back of my hands. Night creams I always do this with. It's a little extravagant, but you're only using it once a day. And I mean, we can't be uneven, y'all. We can't be uneven. I feel like eye creams are the #1 thing that people neglect. You need eye cream. You need a serum during the day and then a heavy one at nighttime. I'm telling y'all, it's important. And this is the Dermae Advanced Peptides and Collagen Eye Cream. Just gonna pop a little bit of that out. I like to put it on these 2 fingers right here. And lightly, I'm using the lightest touch, tap here and on top. Because when you do your eyeshadow every single day, you start to notice girlfriend's lids ain't looking the same as they were when she was 18. So you need to get that eye cream. You gotta tap it down here. But honestly, I see such a difference. Last but not least, I have been obsessing over this. This is the Hydrating Mist and it has the hyaluronic acid and green tea. I just randomly spray this with my makeup on, before I do my makeup, in between, and I finish both my day and nighttime skincare routine with this. It just smells heavenly and just leaves your skin like a big glow ball. I feel like I have been to the spa and I am blown away by these products. Everything is going to be listed below. You guys are gonna wanna check these out. Okay, well we're ready for nutty nighttime. Our skin literally looks like glass. This Vitamin C Instant Radiant Citrus Facial Pill, bomb, so bomb. I did partner with them on this video, but you guys know that anything that I put on my channel, I absolutely adore. I am sold. I mean, the results are here. They're right here. I am so happy that I found this. Thank you guys so much for partnering with me. Dermae, you guys are amazing, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.